Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in or sign in Cashbank app. Open Cashbank app, tap on allow while using app. Once you are here, look for sign in. Tap on sign in. In the sign in box, you will see a file that says username. Type in your username, Cash username. This is the same one you created when you first open your Cash account online. If you forgot it, don't worry. Just tap forgot username below the box. After that, type your password in the password box. Make sure there are no extra space and check that the caps lock is off. If you forgot your password, simply tap forgot password and follow the step to reset it. Cash may send you a security code for extra protection. You might receive it through text message, email, or the Cash app. Enter that code to confirm it's really you. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once your username, password, and security code is verified, tap on sign in button. In just a moment, you will get into your main Cash dashboard where you can see check your balance, view transactions, bill pays, transfer money, and more. Here are some helpful tips. Always use official Cash app or website to stay safe. Never share your password with anyone. If the app doesn't open, try to update it. If website doesn't load, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is good. If Wi-Fi is not working, try to switch mobile data and vice versa. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.